Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today we have an unboxing for your creative studio. I can't wait to see what is in this month's box. I will actually put the month this box was sent out in the description box because I never remember when I'm opening them, and I usually get them a couple months behind sometimes from what you may have seen. And I also wanted to say that I will be giving the name of the winner of the Your Creative Studio giveaway that I had for the month of June. I will let you know who won in this video. So starting with these lovely stickers, I absolutely love the florals, of course, vintage style, and they're larger versions as well, which is really nice. So you've got the strips, you have the squares, and this will definitely be repurposed. I've started repurposing my packaging in a lot of my crafts, and I really love all the different stuff that comes in with these boxes as well. This feels like tissue paper, so I'm not going to take it out because you can see the designs, but I really love that there's such a variety. I've started making some APCs. I'll show you those in a little bit. I'm really enjoying the process. It's a small project, but you can do so much collaging and, you know, just different designs on them. So you can tell the theme of this one. It is all about the ocean, and it is really lovely. So if anyone is out there that is looking at these types of designs, there's so many goodies out there. And look at this collection of, I believe they're stickers, but I'm not quite sure. As I'm doing the voiceover, I don't quite remember what was in the box. And I have to do a voiceover most of the time now because, you know, just it's so busy around my home. So this next one is, I believe, the sticky notes. And I'm just trying to organize this here. So these are like the sticky notes as well, and they're really lovely to use. I use these a lot in different projects. Now they also have a variety of papers and, you know, just a really nice variety that comes in the boxes. I will link their shop in the description box below. And if you haven't seen my previous unboxing videos, check them out. There's such a variety in all these boxes. I think you're going to be very surprised. So I'm really loving that this one has a lot of labels. Lately, I have been into labels and using a lot of my stickers. So I'm going to start a series on my channel of using your stash of different products that we have, you know, including paper punches and our, you know, stickers and our different types of papers and all that stuff, so that maybe I can inspire you to use up your pieces as, you know, along with all your scraps that you may already have or leftover bits from other projects. Now this one is the paper ephemera, so it's different designs on it as well, and you can see again we're sticking to the same theme. Okay, so these ones are a nice different design that you see here, and there are quite a number of them for each design, which is really nice because, you know, you get to keep some as well if you don't use them all in the project. Now I love these stickers. I think these are my favorite that they send, and they're the ones that look like postage stamps, but obviously not. So these are very versatile. You can use them in so many projects. And I actually have a really fun project that I haven't done in a while. I'll share the link above in the cards in the description box below, and I'll put a little image here of what I'm talking about. It's these little dangles that I made a long time ago using some stickers, and I think these will be nice for that as well. Love how these are packaged. I think I would totally repurpose the packaging idea because I really like the fold over there on the spine. And now we come to some of the stamps. They always include stamps in these kits, and I really love the varieties, and they're really great stamps. I love just how they come out. So it's so nice that they've included some in this as well. And you'll see that they also have items that are exclusive to Your Creative Studio. So everything that has that Your Creative Studio stamp or logo on it means that they're made specifically for their company. So you won't get these anywhere else, which is also another, you know, nice little thing to get in your subscription box. And then this next one here is a larger one, or two smaller ones. Here we go, the little lighthouse and a seashell. Really, really cute. And they always have some sort of washi tape, which I really love as well. And the last one, I think the last box that I showed you, maybe the previous one before that, the washi tape wasn't sticking well at all. So I've just started adding more glue to it anyways, as I do when I'm making projects with most of my washi tape. I find that washi tape starts to get loose after a little while. So it's just been working out really well, but I like it when it actually sticks. And this is a really nice design as well. Really, really nice. And so then we've got one little item left. I'm so excited. These are the labels. I love labels. I love that they're square. They've included a lot of different colors and varieties. Really, really nice to see these as well. And yeah, so anyways, I will link their shop below. You can see previous unboxings as well. And I hope that you've enjoyed the flip through. I will come back and show you some projects that I've made, maybe in this video or another video as well. And let me just give you the name of the winner of the giveaway. And thank you all so much for entering the giveaway. It was to do a VR or a social media post showing some projects that you had made using some of the ideas I have shared with you on my channel. So it was so lovely to see some of you with the videos and the postings. I saw them all over social media. So thank you so much. That was really lovely. I will definitely be doing another giveaway very soon, but I think this one was so great because of course you'll be getting your creative studio box, and it's an appreciation, of course, of your support with my channel. So keep those comments coming and those views. The winner is Carol Gutierrez. So Carol, congratulations. Send me an email to collect your prize and give me your mailing details, etc. Thank you all so much again for joining me. I will come back very soon with some projects showing you what I've made with this current unboxing that I have shared with you. All right, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.